2006 Honda Accord. We had a situation where it would not crank. The key would turn, however, would not crank. We heard a buzzing sound underneath the dash, and what we wind up thinking it was potentially maybe a relay. Tested the relay, checked out the battery. It was not a relay, and it was not the battery. Come to find out, it was the ignition switch, which is under this cover here, mounted just adjacent to where you put the key in, just on the other side. So what this was here is the ignition switch, electronic ignition switch. And actually, while you're trying to start the vehicle, if you tap on it at the same time, it makes connection, actually will start. We wind up replacing it, and with a new one, it starts right up. And this is actually the contacts here were so bad and burnt it wouldn't make a contact. So this is the old one here. This was the actual culprit. Thank you. Bye.